So good day everyone, I am Sir Joy Feldin and I am here to tell you what are the two main problems of Barangay San Roque. So first one is the waste management. Second is the flood. So flood causes improper waste management. So no, if ang isang tao na they don't know how to throw their garbage on the proper disposal and then they throw it on the river, then that's the cause of flood. Bumabara yung kung saan tumatakbo yung tubig or saan dumadala yung tubig. So that's the cause of the flood here in Barangay San Roque.
Hello to each and everyone, my name is Jerome D. Francisco from 3B. So number one problem also here in our barangay, that barangay doesn't have any proper disposal of garbages. So as you may see many vehicles that passes by here in our barangay that throwing some different kinds of garbages and doesn't have any proper disposal. So that is the number one also problem here in our barangay that needs also to be taken action.
Hey everyone, hi, I'm John Mark J. Bernardo. One of the problems here in barangay is the flood. Why? Because many people throw their trashes or garbages on the river. That's why all the garbage or trashes stuck on the river.
Good day everyone, I am Ricardo Masad. So as you can see here in the river, there are many ways that the people throwing their garbage in the riverside. This is one of the cause of the flood is the improper waste management. So these are the solutions that we want to ask help for our barangay officials and barangay San Roque is to implement a marking clean-up drive for us to help maintain and raise awareness, especially in proper waste disposal. The second one is also to collaborate with barangay officials to establish sustainable waste management initiatives. So here in Barangay San Roque, people are doing that. So we are here right now to give a solution and to address the barangay officials in Barangay San Roque. So the first solution is implement a flood mitigation measures such as proper drainage systems, river bank protection to reduce the risk of flooding,